Ever wonder how a simple triangle of corn turns into the crispy chip you can't stop eating, without ever tasting stale or breaking the flavor code? What kind of tech magic keeps billions of chips identical bag after bag? Behind every bite is a world of high-speed rollers, fryers, and nitrogen-sealed secrets. With over 15.1 billion bushels of corn fueling America's snack obsession, this isn't just food, it's a precision process. These chips shape your cravings daily without you even realizing it. How does this snack factory machine run so flawlessly? Stay with us as we crack it open, and don't forget to subscribe for more crunch-loaded breakdowns. Before tortilla chips are cooked and packaged, it's important to focus on the main ingredient, corn. Yellow corn is primarily used for tortilla chips, and the quality of this corn plays a significant role in the final flavor and texture of the chips. High-quality corn ensures that the chips have a consistent, crispy bite. In the US, the bulk of corn is grown in Iowa, Nebraska, and Illinois, which are known for their ideal growing conditions. According to the US Department of Agriculture, the US corn yield in 2022 was approximately 15.1 billion bushels, cementing its importance in snack production. Once harvested, the corn is cleaned and milled before being transformed into masa, dough, for tortilla chips. After the corn is harvested, the next step is to transform it into masa, the dough used to make tortilla chips. Masa is created by grinding the corn kernels and mixing them with water and, in some cases, lime. The process begins with grinding the corn into a fine meal using industrial stone mills or hammer mills. According to the US Department of Agriculture, corn milling is an essential step in the production of high-quality snack foods, as it ensures uniformity in texture and consistency. Next, the ground corn is mixed with water and sometimes lime, a calcium compound that makes the dough more pliable and easier to work with. This combination ensures that the masa is ready for the next steps in chip production. Once the masa is prepared, it's time to shape it into tortilla chips. The first step is rolling the masa into thin sheets, a process similar to making tortillas. Industrial rollers are used to flatten the dough to a specific thickness, ensuring consistent texture across all chips. The next step is cutting the dough into the signature triangle shapes that we recognize as tortilla chips. While some factories use automated cutting machines to achieve uniform shapes, others still use traditional hand-cutting methods to create unique chip sizes or shapes. According to National Corn Chip Day reports, the production of tortilla chips has evolved, with modern technology offering higher precision while maintaining the traditional craftsmanship in some areas. These shaped pieces of dough are then ready for the next stages of cooking and packaging. The most crucial step in making tortilla chips is the frying process. In factories, chips are deep fried to achieve that signature crispy texture. They are fried in vegetable oil at temperatures ranging from 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat causes the moisture inside the chips to evaporate, leaving them with a crunchy, crisp texture. To prevent the chips from becoming overly greasy, oil absorption is carefully controlled. During frying, the oil temperature is closely monitored to ensure even cooking. This is typically managed using automatic temperature control systems. Additionally, many factories employ oil filtration systems to clean and reuse the oil, maintaining the flavor and reducing waste. According to a study by the International Journal of Food Science, proper oil management significantly enhances the taste and texture of fried snacks while minimizing excess oil consumption. These processes ensure that the chips are cooked to perfection every time. Once the tortilla chips are fried, they still need flavor. This is where the seasoning process comes in. Seasoning machines spray a fine mist of flavor onto the chips as they move along the production line. Common flavors include salt, cheese, lime, and spicy chili, while some factories offer more unique varieties such as barbecue, ranch, or even sweet flavors. The seasoning is applied using a combination of tumbling and spraying techniques, ensuring that each chip receives an even coating. This process is vital for achieving the perfect balance of flavor in every bite. To maintain consistency, modern factories use automated systems that monitor the distribution of seasonings and salt, ensuring that each bag of chips has the same taste. According to industry reports, this automation has dramatically improved the efficiency of flavor distribution, giving consumers a consistent taste experience with each snack. We hope you're enjoying it, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated. After frying and seasoning, the cooling process is essential to preserve the crispness of the chips. To prevent the chips from becoming soggy, they are transferred onto cooling conveyor belts, which allow them to cool down gradually. This cooling process is crucial as it helps prevent the buildup of moisture, ensuring the chips remain crisp and fresh. The cooling conveyor belts operate in controlled environments, typically featuring air circulation systems that ensure even cooling. Excess moisture is avoided during this phase, which is necessary for the chips to maintain their crunchy quality. As reported by the Snack Food Association, effective cooling is key to enhancing the shelf life of chips and preserving their texture until they reach consumers. Once the tortilla chips have cooled, they are ready for packaging. The cooled chips are directed into automated packaging machines, where they are placed into multi-layer plastic bags. This type of packaging creates a barrier against air and moisture, helping to maintain the chips' freshness over time. To keep the chips fresh, the bags are sealed using either heat or pressure. Some factories opt for modified atmosphere packaging, which involves injecting nitrogen into the bags to extend the shelf life and preserve the crispness of the chips. According to the Institute of Food Technologists, this packaging technique significantly helps retain the quality and taste of snack foods. Each bag is then labeled with details such as the brand, flavor, and nutritional information. Quality control workers verify that the bags are sealed correctly and labeled accurately before being distributed to consumers. After packaging, the tortilla chips are ready for distribution to retailers. First, the packed chips are stored in warehouses equipped with inventory management systems. These systems help ensure proper stock rotation and maintain the freshness of the products. Once the chips are ready for shipment, they are transported to retail locations through a coordinated distribution network. Logistics software is used by large snack companies to optimize delivery routes, ensuring timely shipments to stores while minimizing transportation costs. According to the Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals, an efficient distribution process is critical in maintaining product quality and ensuring that chips reach stores as quickly as possible. This method helps reduce delays and guarantees that consumers have access to fresh, high-quality chips. In the end, we've seen the amazing journey of how tortilla chips go from cornfields to that perfect crunch in your snack bowl. But think about this. How crucial is oil control in giving chips their crispy texture? And how does automation ensure that perfect seasoning every time? If you're curious about the behind-the-scenes process of making your favorite snack, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the incredible steps that go into creating the tortilla chips you love.